In this video I will show you how to enable parental control on POCO X6. So you have to start with opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on parental controls and then click on get started. Now click on child or a teenager and then click next. Now click on R to create account for your child and then click on Google. Now you have to enter your child's email address. And now you have to enter your child password, so we'll use it off screen. And now you have to click I agree. Now click accept. And then click back. And now select your account. And you have to enter your parent email address. And now you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll all the way down and now you have to enter your child password again. Now click next and now scroll down and click next. Now click next again. And here you can install family link, or you can click skip and you can install this app later manually. Now click on review controls and now your parental control is set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.